Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you what I picked up from Makeup Revolution. If you want to see what I picked up, then please keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. So I picked up 3 foundations, which is what I have here. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundations. I haven't used any foundations from Makeup Revolution before. This is my first time, so I picked up F13, F15, and F14. I don't know what my shade is, so I just picked these 3. So I'm gonna swatch it on my face so we'll see what shade fits me better. Just shake up. So this is F13, and the bottle is like, this is how it fits my hand. It's long like that. Ooh, guys, the applicator is, I think this is called the Dofer applicator. I'm not sure, I don't know. But this is how huge the applicator is. I have never seen anything like this. And I'm not used to this kind of foundations with the applicator. I'm used to like a pump. I just swatch this here. F13. Guys, this is F13 for medium or dark skin with a golden undertone. Not my shade. Definitely not my shade. Oh my goodness. F14. Oh no, this is way too dark. Good Lord. That's F14. F14 is described for dark skin tone with a cool undertone. I guess I'm not lucky. Okay, with my shade. Good, you guys. This is F15. F15 is described. This is F15. F15 is described for dark skin with a red undertone. F15. I do have a red undertone, but this is not my shade. Definitely not my shade. I'm gonna mix F13 and F15 together to get my shade. F14 is definitely not my shade, so that's what I'm gonna be using. For foundation reference, I'm gonna leave my foundations that I currently use down in the description section below if you use those ranges, so you can know what to buy. All 3 foundations are not my shade. Definitely not my shade. Okay, for concealers, I picked up 3 concealers. I picked up the Conceal and Perfect concealer. Picked up the Conceal and Define concealer in C13 and what shade is this? C12.2. I also picked up C15 to contour with. Okay, now I'm gonna swatch. C13 here. Oh, that looks nice. C13. That's C13. And this is C12.2. Oh, C12.2 is that. Okay, that's interesting. I like this better to conceal with. C13 is described for skin with golden undertone, and C12.2 is described for skin with olive undertone. And I don't know. I don't know what I bought. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to make it work for my skin tone. I'll just try to make it work, but I'm definitely not in this shade range for concealing with. I don't know, like, I'll just try to make it work. Okay, I picked up this lipstick It's the, I can't even read what is, it's called Struck. It looks like this. That's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like right here. I already used it once. I'm gonna do like swatch. This is what it looks like on my skin tone. And I picked up the setting powder. This is in the shade Banana Deep. Looks like this. I'm gonna use this and make it work on my skin, in as much as all the shades of foundation I picked up is not even anywhere close to my skin tone. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be priming my skin using the InStylish 24 karat gold oil. Looks like this. It says you could use it as a moisturizer or a primer on their website. I have been loving this oil. Just give it a little shake so I can get the 24 karat gold on my skin. I filmed a video featuring this product of what I have in my mini fridge. If you want to go look that video up, I'm gonna leave it somewhere up here on the screen, so you go look that video up, or in the description box below. First, I'm going to use the powder here. I'm gonna use this to cover up all my dark spots, which is one of the reasons why I picked up this concealer. This I'm gonna enjoy using this one because it's dark. I usually use my dark foundations or concealer to cover up my dark. I'm gonna mix F15 and F14 together to get my shade. I try to use more of F15 and less of F13, that is a lighter shade, so it gives, like, it balances everything up. I'm going to quickly blend. I love the coverage. Wow. Oh my god. I wish there was a way for me to get my actual shade for this foundation. I love how it looks on my skin. Wow. I'm going to be using C12.2. C13, which is slightly darker. I will use that under. Oh, I'm gonna use this right on this side. I'm gonna allow my the concealer to set up a little bit on my skin before I blend it out. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick while that is setting on my skin. I already started blending and I didn't see anything, so I'm gonna be blending out using this sponge by Elf. This is a very good blending sponge, you guys. This sponge, I always keep repurchasing it. I've never had any problem using this sponge. Okay, doesn't tear up, remains the same, very affordable. Whoa, you guys, this dries out pretty quickly. It dries out pretty quickly. Oh no, I'm now having trouble blending this. You guys, please don't wait for this to set up your skin before you blend it out. Okay, it dries out before you know it. Good Lord, it dries out before you know it. Oh man, it's not like other concealers that you put on your skin and then wait for it to set before you start blending it out. This is not it. Like, I feel like it starts to dry seconds after you put it on your skin, so I had a little trouble trying to blend this out. So please, when you put it, don't wait for it to dry up. You see that it's going nowhere, so I have to work hard to get this to blend on my skin. So don't do the mistake that I made. Okay, don't do it. I'll try to blend this using this real technique sponge. I'll blend this like immediately. I'm not gonna wait because this dries out pretty fast. Now that is blended out, I'm gonna go in with my setting powder in Banana Dip from Makeup Revolution as well, and I'm going to use this to bake on the, not bake, I'll just put this, use the powder to set all the areas of my skin where I use the concealer, and I'm going to do that using my real, where is it? I'm going to do that using my Real Techniques setting brush, using my MAC pressed powder. Line my lips using the MAC Cup Lip Pencil. It feels creamy on my lips. I'm gonna go in with, just because I like lip glosses, I'm gonna go back with my lip gloss and I'm gonna put that over the lipstick. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.